Hello everyone, I would like to show you a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
The preposition. Let us read these sentences carefully. They tell you where the noun book is and what is its relation with the noun box. The book is in the box. The book is on the box. The book is under the box. The book is near the box. The book is beside the box. The book is above the box. The book is in front of the box. Say it aloud and learn. The words in, on, under, near, beside, above and in front of show the relation in which the book stands to the box. Such words are called prepositions. Now study these sentences. He sat by me. The sky is above us. I shall go with you. The dog walked behind him. She sat beside me. Did you notice something different? In these sentences, the prepositions by, above, with, behind and beside are used with the pronouns he, us, I, you, him, she and me. Important. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relations in which one person or thing stands to another person or thing.
Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. He was driving at full speed. I always do what my mother says, so she is always pleased dash me with. The passengers left their luggage at the station. Dash the school clock. He was 1 hour late. By. Come soon, the taxi is already dashed the door. At. Pick and drop the prepositions from this sentence into box. The policeman ran after the thief. After. The teacher was sitting among the students. Among. The river flows under the bridge. Under. The bees were buzzing over his head. Over. The school building is just across the road. Across.
The conjunction. You have learned that special words can join one word to another or one sentence to another sentence. See how. A man and a woman went together. The man was tall, but the woman was short. The man was thin, but the woman was fat. The man was tall and thin, but the woman was short and fat. Was the woman tall or short? Shaima cannot drink the tea because it is too hot. The words and, but, or and because are used to join together words or groups of words or sentences. Such words are called conjunctions. Note: in sentence 1, and joins the words man and woman. In sentences 2 and 3, the word but joins two groups of words. The man was tall, the man was thin, with the woman was short, and the woman was fat. Sentences 4 and 6 join sentences together with the conjunctions and, but, and because. In sentence 5, the conjunction or joins two words, tall and short. See some more sentences. They join two separate sentences with conjunctions. Tom is jumping, Meera is skipping. Tom is jumping and Meera is skipping. Ashok is tall, his sister is short. Ashok is tall but his sister is short. Was the woman young? Was the woman old? Was the woman young or old? Kamala could not drink the tea. It was too hot. Kamala could not drink the tea because it was too hot.
Drag and drop the conjunctions from this sentence into the given year. Men, women and children together build this bridge, and the children are happy because the holidays have been declared, because the people are hungry but not impatient, but I could not get tea because there was no milk, because do not speak unless you are asked to do so. Pick suitable conjunctions from the help box and drop them in space to make meaningful sentence. You will not pass dash you work hard. Unless he was afraid of missing the function dash he ran. Therefore we shall not go dash you will not accompany us. If he cleared the written test dash failed in the interview, but you are weak dash you don't eat properly because.
Number of nouns. You know by now that there are two numbers of nouns, singular and plural. Examples. A boy was throwing a stone at a bird. The nouns stone and bird stand for only one person, animal or thing. They are therefore said to be in the singular number. Example. Some boys were throwing stones at birds. The nouns boys, stones and birds stand for more than one person, animal or thing. They are therefore said to be in the plural number. How to form plurals? Some of the rules you have already learnt in the previous class. Let us quickly revise them and add more words to our vocabulary. Rule number 1. Most nouns form their plurals by adding s to the singular. Singular, plural. Balloon, balloons. Day, days. Doll, dolls. Eye, eyes. Pace, paces. Game, games. And so on. Rule number 2. Nouns that end in a hissing sound, ch, s, sh, or x, form their plurals by adding es to the singular. Singular, plural. Batch, batches. Bench, benches. Branch, branches. Bunch, bunches. Catch, catches. Church, churches. Gas, gases. Ass, asses. Ash, ashes. Bush, bushes. Class, classes. Pox, poxes. And so on. Rule number 3. 1. If the noun ends in y and the y has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing y into ies. Singular, plural. Army, armies. Baby, babies. Body, bodies. City, cities. Country, countries. Ply, plies, and so on. Rule number 3, 2. There are some words in which y is not dropped, but only s is added. Chimney, chimneys. Donkey, donkeys. Joy, joys. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. And so on. There are some more rules to learn. So look again. Rule number 4, 1. If the noun ends in f or fe, the plural is formed by changing f or fe into ves. Calf, calves. Leaf, leaves. Loaf, loaves. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Life, lives. Wife, wives. Rule number 4, 2. Now wait a minute. There are some words which take only an s to make the plural. F or fe does not change. For example, chief, chiefs. Dwarf, dwarfs. Grief, griefs. Gulf, gulfs. Hoof, hoofs. Proof, proofs. Roof, roofs. Rule number 5. Most nouns that end in O form their plurals by adding es to the singular. Buffalo, buffaloes. Echo, echoes. Hero, heroes. Mango, mangoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. And so on. But we say bamboo, bamboos. Dynamo, dynamos. Poto, potos. Rule number 6. This rule is quite different from the others. You will have to pay great attention to it. The nouns form their plurals by a change of vowel. Man, men. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Woman, women. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Here we have added en to the ox and ren to the child. How do we change sentences which are singular into plural? Look at the pictures and study the sentences. The lady has a knife, singular. The ladies have knives, plural. The child is playing with the toy, singular. The children are playing with the toys, plural. Note: all the nouns in these sentences were changed to plural nouns. The verbs also changed according to the nouns or subject. Has changed to have, is playing to are playing.
Change the number of these nouns from singular to plural. Diary, diaries. Story, stories. Watch, watches. Calf, calf, calves. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Match the singular with its plural. Knife, knives. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Teeth, tooth, teeth. Woman, woman. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.